Yo guys, so in today's video I'm not really going to be doing anything, but basically what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be playing in mountains. So I've seen a lot of funny videos in mountains and Gorilla Tag, so I'm going to be playing mountains. I'll probably be funny.
You ain't even recording!
I'll probably add like Gorilla Tag background in the music, but yeah, so
I agree.
get into it.
Was not even recording.
No, I am, bro.
No, you're not. Your
Yes,
thing
I
was
am.
not
I'm
blinking.
recording on the VR, dumbass.
Your thing was not flashing red and light.
Alright. Wee.
Give me a chance. There's a stand camera.
Oh my.
I can't go in
Ah!
now.
Huh?
Oh my God! What the hell?
I can't go in the fan.
Record for a reason.
I kind of suck at this game. Not
If you
gonna
hit me
lie.
one more time,
No,
I'm recording you
no,
because at this point it's just freaking toxicity and harassment.
I want to be
Yeah.
in left hand, man. What is going on? What the? I got him. I got him.
Where the hell did the snowball go?
Shut up.
Oh wait, I'm not tagged. Wait, I need to go. Whoa!
Roar.
It's snow instead of water. That's cool. And this is just ice. That's really cool. Oh my God! I thought it was the tagger. Imagine someone being tagged just walks out of
Don't
the.
stop freaking hitting them with the snowballs.
Oh, shut up, you 30-year-old man that still lives in the French
Wee.
I am not 30!
Oh my God!
No, I'm not, actually.
Oh God! Am I safe?
I swear to God, if you think
Yeah, I think I'm safe. What? I can't pitch climb! Oh my God, let me out!
Excuse me, fucking... Excuse me!
Excuse me, I'm here to.
Just because I have a lower register of voice. How dare you?
What the hell is he
No wonder
running
people don't
I'm
like
not present.
Don't think he's running. What the hell?
my God.
Bye-bye. Yeah?
Down.
I want to.
There's someone behind you.
Ah!
Not for long. Thanks.
Wow.
You sure?
Oh, fuck you.
You too. Shut
Jesus.
up.
Oh Jesus! I need to go. Oh! Oh! No! No!
Just report.
He sees me. He's gonna try and get me.
Also partying. It's crazy.
Oh my God! Wait, he really
Also partying is just
is trying to get me. So. Fan. Does it actually like blow me away? No.
Oh.
Oh my God! No! No!
Oh, that scared me.
Yay! No!
Come on.
Oh no, that's don't scare me like that again. What the hell was that? I'm gonna go check it out. Woo! Oh,
Hello. Oh no.
Whoa! Oh my God!
yeah.
Yes, you did. You did it.
Are you in Marty?
Let's go check that out. What the hell? Why the hell is there just a random block here? Oh, it's a blimp. It's gonna be a good hiding spot if you guys play hide and seek. I'm actually not gonna lie. Yo, it's bouncy. Yeah. Okay. Oh my God, bro! Stop scaring me. Oh God. I'm gonna sing that song, guys. You know what I'm doing.
Oh my God.
Okay, you ready? Sing with us, sing for the thing, sing for the thing, sing for the Oh! 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 Oh my God!
You jumped.
Oh my god! He's my next target. You cannot run from me. I am the god of all penises. Come here, boy. We win! I'm coming for you. Yay! Oh, I thought that was a normal monkey. Yo, is that an ice cream thing? Gotta go get some ice cream. Maybe ice cream. Lunch! I wonder where the tag is on.
Oh man, he used to be coming.
Ooh.
Let's go.
Oh god. Wait, no! Oh my god.
Then the sun sets
Is bro green, sis? AKA racist for green? I don't know, maybe. You can't run from the Lobo! Wow! No! You probably think he lost me, but no! No! Oh, dear Lord. Wait! Whee! 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 Oh dear God, I haven't been up here before. What the hell? Dear Lord. Oh Lordy Lord. Is that me?
I'm still here for you.
The monkey is about to get tagged by me. Oh, one of my twin brothers. Let's go tag. Oh, my head! Oh! Oh!
You monkey.
I'm a nice lobby monkey, so
Oh!
I'm a nice lobby monkey.
Thought that was a player then.
it's barely anybody's eyes. I swear, every lobby I join, it's just
Oh.
we
Whee.
stuck at the game.
Maybe you do. Go get him. Go get a dog, man.
Imagine someone just hung right here.
You are black. No,
Who is the last player?
just like you.
Woo! I think they're probably like hiding in secret tunnel or something. I don't know. Let me go check. Oh.
I'm gonna murder you.
I don't think they do anything, bro.
Go! You guys even know what draft is?
Time to check in the secret tunnel. I think someone went in there.
Thank you for the tip, bro.
I don't know. Let's go see. Secret tunnel. Secret tunnel. No, no, wait, no, no, wait, no, no!
Grab my hand.
There's no way there's actually water here. What does that spray ice? I don't know. I guess this is what creates all the snow then.
I want to fly. Wait, can I
Where's the last snow then? Oh, Matt. I see him. Oh, what the hell?
Wait, to me!
What the hell?
Me.
Oh,
Be so mean.
Wait, where's the moderator?
If they're abusing it,
now I'm gonna go recheck in secret tunnel.
no, I think he's not even right here. Unless if they're abusing it.
Yeah, they're not.
They're the dude that. Yeah, he's not abusing it. He's not talking people with it.
Stay right there.
John, no! Da da da.
Yo, bro, can you do it to me?
Wow!
Make it to me. Make me fly. I want you to make me fly.
What the hell?
No, grab my hand.
Water, all ice. Real ice. Real ice everywhere. Oh my god, he nearly got tagged. Ah!
Let's do it real quick.
Different lobby.
Bro, don't talk about my fam.
Holy
Bro,
crap.
don't talk about my family. Get reported.
Don't care.
Don't talk. Hey, Red Eyes. Red Eyes, don't talk about my family. Get reported.
Right? Okay, I didn't. Green bean. I hate green beans.
Bye-bye.
Green bean! Ah! Green bean, come here, boy.
Run, Green, run.
No!
Purple, this is for you. Watch me.
No, he's running away.
Purple.
I can't get him. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so.
hit by my arm then?
I'm scared.
Never mind,
No! 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 But how did green bean go?
Oh, nah! Bye.
I know where I'm going
No,
now.
guys, you need to say my farewells. I've got 4% charge. I've got 4% charge.
Why do you have underwear?
I'm gonna Aura farm. I'm gonna do the boat kid.
I think he sees me.
Oh shoot, I
Stay
fell.
there. No, please stay there.
No, I don't want to. I already fell. I'm dead.
Where's KSI up here, bro?
Oh shoot.
I think I'm gonna,
I just want to go just go. I can't move.
I gotta go.
Somebody got tagged and I didn't like it. Who was it?
Is that a tagger? No. I gotta get him. He ain't no tagger.
Oh yeah, who was it?
You.
Nah, he's really good. I don't know if I can get him. It looks like it is my time to die.
Yo, why is there a slide? Where does the slide start? Somebody tell me.
Gotta follow them and see what they react.
I got locked in.
Lock it in.
Oh, you freaking big forehead, man.
Okay, right.
Freaking KSI forehead.
Someone is going on that snow platform there.
Well, that's the biggest I can go.
So is it my time to shine and jump down there? Oh no, he's tagged.
I swear to God.
Him. That purple dude over there is not tagged. Or is he black? I don't know.
On back there.
I don't
Where does the slide start?
There he is. Yeah, he's purple. He's really purple.
Oh, come on. You made me go down.
Sorry.
No!
Purple!
How do you get in the
Did you
slide?
just call him Purple?
Hey.
I found
Ah!
purple.
Brr.
Or Purple?
I did this before, baby.
Purple!
Wow!
Purple!
Oh my god, big brain!
Okay,
Mega Mind!
We're gonna go to there.
I bet he loves watching the movie Mega Mind.
Oh!
We're gonna go
Oh, I'm not tagged anymore. Shall we see who is? Nah. No, I'm not gonna risk it for a biscuit.
I know.
How do you get in the slide, buddy?
I think you fell, man.
Okay, now he's gonna come off me.
How do you get in the slide?
Imagine just seeing someone wall climb on run. Oh, me no, on the
Mustache man
on
still
the
here.
ice walls. Oh my Jesus, good lord.
No!
I gotta. Oh, I gotta really go. I gotta go. Okay,
Oh, jeez.
she's over there.
Mustache man,
People
lock
are
window.
up. People are up there.
Yo, bro. No, you gotta go test man. Oh, okay, no.
No, you guys
That
gotta
didn't
like
work.
this.
Yeah, run!
You guys
What is that?
are better than me.
The peanut. Yeah. How? I don't even know how you did that.
Oh, keep messing up. I remember when it was actually hard. I remember when there was no fan, no igloo.
Thank you.
no
Next
balls.
target. Name green bee.
I remember
Color
those little
green.
days.
Next target.
Where it's pure
Name
skill.
I don't know. Color
fan camping,
purple.
No big snowballs.
Cosmetics hat. Which hat? I don't know.
There's so much lava monkeys now.
Yeah. We're leaving.
Are you serious right now?
No!
I was getting the worst situations though.
You're so slow. There's no way he's.
Is purple it?
Yeah, purple is it.
No. Yeah, give me games, kid.
Thank you. Yeah, I can be home at 4.
Thank you.
I can be home at 5:45.
Okay, never mind. Yes, you are.
Yeah, right. Come. You're.
Yo, chill, bro.
Oh my God, Green Bean! What the hell is Green Bean doing over there?
Okay.
Nah, we just gotta.
I wonder what the hell this even is like.
Oh, shoot.
No.
Oh, great.
Gummy.
Oh, heck
Was
no.
the president.
Don't get me! Please! I have a wife. I have a family. I love you, Purple.
I'm just
But you
gonna
don't need to
stay
do
over
this.
here.
And no! He's slippery. Oh, Purple.
I'm blocking the way to get out.
Poor. I promise
I'm
not to
blocking the
tag
way
you
to get
again.
out. Or should I just hide in the tree?
Aw.
Despite all I know, he got
Get
tagged.
anything you want.
I'm blind. I'm so blind.
I would have gave you cayenne
I'm
soul,
sorry,
bro.
I'm blind.
Wait, I'm gonna go.
I know. Look out. I'm naughty blind. I want to listen to the music.
snowballs like actually make you move.
Nothing's blind.
You gotta jump up and throw your hand down hard.
Nothing's
Ah,
blind. Now, how do I?
My bad.
you gotta, alright, jump up. And then
Him
you gotta,
again?
like, you gotta throw him down hard.
Isn't it? Oh my God, is Green Bean gonna help him?
Right now.
Green. If Green Bean is gonna help him, I swear I'm gonna run away from Green Bean.
Faster, you gotta do it faster.
No, Green Bean is still green.
Never give up.
Uh,
Green.
green. Green Bean is still green as a bean.
Oh, no.
Green Bean.
Alright, I got you. Oh, maybe I know. I swear to
Green Bean. Just like. Guys, remember in Halloween there used to be something here and it used to be so easy to get onto Target? Now it's kind of hard
I
for
thought you were gonna,
some people.
like, slide.
You come here and listen to those
Dude,
balls,
come back
bro.
here, please.
Let me put my balls in your jaw.
Yeah, you can. I'll give you a hug.
Let me put my balls in your jaw.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
This
Poor kid. I will not fail this kid.
I'm correct.
Oh!
Not gonna get purple. For
No!
the kid.
Hey guys, I'm up here.
Oh, you make it so hard sometimes.
Okay, that's so bad.
I'm done, so just bear with me.
How do you get up there?
Phil.
Yo, jump down, bro.
Come here. Let me sniff those balls you have. Ah! Yeah. Yeah. Done. Woo!
Stop,
Done.
I don't think that works.
Lagging or is
I don't think that works,
How
man.
did bro juke me?
I don't see him
Ha!
lagging.
Bro, you're lagging.
What is he even doing?
No,
Yeah, why?
Bro, you're
What is
lagging
this?
so bad. Everybody.
Hey, if everybody's lagging, that means you're lagging. You're lagging!
Run across the snow. Go back onto the fan where you came from. Slide on the ice. Go past this. Back into the igloo we go. Grab the camera. Alright guys. This is going to be the end of the video now. So, like and subscribe to see more prototype videos like this one right here. So, yeah.
Bro, he's lagging so bad.
So I shall see you guys in the next one. Second of all, if this guy really doesn't stop, I'm gonna just,
actually worse.
Guys, don't ask how I can do
anyways.
this.
He's gonna show you the thing again. No.
One day I'll make that jump.
Wait, why did I quit that hat? No, this, okay. So yeah, if you're wondering why the hell is my name GamerG_unofficial? I meant to put GamerG3_official, but I put GamerG_official. I will change that in 13 days because I need to wait 13 gosh damn days!
You made it, I would have cried.
Now, who's left?
Now why am I good?
It's black.
Did I scare you guys? Did I scare you guys?
Running away.
Where's black? Do you know where he is?
Yeah.
We're not heading down this ramp.
So, I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
I did this.
He's probably not heading back up the ramp. He's probably not right now.
Poo poo pee pee, 1, 2, 3.